How to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. Now, there's no direct way for you to be able to withdraw directly from Phantom Wallet, so you're going to have to transfer it to an exchange platform. For example, we have Bybit over here. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to send your Solana or whatever cryptocurrency that you have into Bybit. So over here, we could click on deposit and deposit crypto over here, and then simply select the crypto that you want to deposit over here. And over here, you will be able to receive your wallet address or your QR code. So simply copy your wallet address over here, go to our option over here and paste this, and you should be able to send how many or any amount of SOL that you want to transfer. After that, over here in our Bybit, we're going to click on our asset. And after that, we're going to click on our convert over here. So what we're going to receive is Solana. So we're going to change our Solana over here into a fiat or money. So Solana over here, Sol. There we go. And over here, we're going to change it to fiat. So whether it's euro or whatever option that you want to convert it to, or USD. So it should be available over here. It's a bit slow for me. It's not appearing, but anyway, you will be able to convert your Solana into that. After that, you're going to simply click on withdraw over here, click on fiat, and you should be able to select whatever currency you had converted it to. For example, we have here ours over here, and there will be a payment method over here for bank transfer. Now, it's not available for me since my location doesn't really support withdrawal, but it should appear for you guys the different payment methods that will be available in your area. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.